Alright guys, welcome back to the Instagram growth sprint, and we have just 3 videos left until this Instagram growth sprint is going to be over. And guys, if you haven't watched the videos before, make sure that you check the playlist about the Instagram growth sprint. All the videos are in this playlist, and start to watch from the beginning, because from the very first video you will start to learn how to create a brand out of your Instagram account and start promoting it using organic methods as well as paid methods. Because without organizing your Instagram account for your target audience, you will not be able to see the great result, whatever method you try, organic or a paid method. So it's really important in the beginning to just make your Instagram to look as appealing as possible for a target audience, and then use all of these methods that I'm sharing here. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you paid advertisement. Paid advertisement on Instagram is actually a very huge topic, and of course I will not be able to put all the information possible in one of these videos, because if you guys want to learn more about paid advertisement, you can check the videos, or you can purchase the course about the paid advertising, because it's the whole new ecosystem. And because honestly speaking, if I would want to share with you all the information about Instagram paid advertisement, I will need to make another sprint of 30 days, because there is really a lot of information to take into consideration. And okay, I will not be able to put everything into that video, but however, I'm going to be sharing with you the most easiest but still the best method to use the paid advertisement of Instagram. And for the sake of this, we will only need to use your phone and the mobile version of Instagram. Okay, so there are 2 ways to do paid advertisement on Instagram: via app itself or via Facebook Ads Manager. The Facebook Ads Manager, so you know that Instagram is purchased by Facebook, and the more complex advertisement, the more complex ecosystem, and there are a lot of different types of advertisement that you can do on Instagram is done via a Facebook Ads Manager, to which your Instagram account is connected, right? This type of advertisement we're not going to tackle in this Instagram growth sprint, because as I said, it's a whole new topic and it's quite complex thing, and they're like a specific job creating paid campaigns utilizing Facebook ecosystem. You know, to do something like this, you require a lot of skills and abilities. As I said, I'm going to be sharing with you the method, the easiest way, but yet very good method to start growing your Instagram account with the paid advertisement. So, all right. So once you have connected your Instagram profile to Facebook business page, I know that Instagram recently updated their advertising policy on in-app. So for advertising on Instagram, if you have never done it, you might have this possibility to not even connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page, but still have this option, promote your post. But if you have done it, unfortunately it's not possible, undo it. So you still have to connect your Instagram account to a specific Facebook page, so you can start running ads in the Instagram app. Once you have connected your Instagram profile correctly with the Facebook page, you will be able to see this promote button. So I just want to ask to press on this promote button. If it's working, it's fine, but we will not do it on the beginning. What I would like you to do is to go to your insights, and here I'm going to do to the content that I have shared. I'm going to sort it out by last year. We'll choose the metric reach and any kind of post. So you will start seeing here your best performing post according to the reach. You can change the metric if you want to choose any other metric, and any other metric to you more important than reach, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use the reach. You see that this post has the most reach. All right. In terms of likes, it's also pretty good, since this Instagram account is pretty small. This amount of likes is also pretty good, but you can sort your post according to different engagement and other metrics that are important for you. For me, reach is absolutely fine. Right now, we have selected our best performing post based on the metric reach. Again, as I said, if other metric, if other KPI, key performance indicator is more important to you than reach, especially for example, if you want to build up community, if you want to generate more comments and shares and all this stuff, then you should choose other metric. For me, reach is absolutely fine. So I have picked my best performing post, and I would not promote any kind of post. I would promote only best performing post according to specific reach and at the time frame that I have chosen. Only then you can click on the promote button. So once you have clicked on the promote button of your best performing post, you choose here which call to action you want people to execute. If you want to grow your Instagram account, if you want people to appear on your Instagram profile, you choose the profile. If you want to insert the website, you can choose your website, right? And then you'll have a possibility to insert link, or you can get more hot leads and choose the direct message. But I'm gonna choose my profile, and here is the thing. So now you can define your target audience. What I actually recommend you to start with is with automatic, because this is automatically identified by Instagram people who are already following you, right? If you're sure that people who follow you is your target audience, then you can of course go ahead and use this button. But if you're not sure that people who follow you are the right target audience, sometimes that's also the case, then you should create your custom audience, right? So you just give a name to your audience, you can choose location, especially if it's you have a physical based business, and then you can choose the interest as well. Facebook ecosystem really offers a lot of keywords and just age and gender. So once you have created your target audience by yourself, you can choose that one. But I really recommend you to start with automatic and see the results. Then you go to next, and then you're gonna give your budget. I really recommend you to start with minimum budget of 5 francs or even less. I would put just 5 francs or 5 francs, sorry, this is in Swiss francs because I'm living in Switzerland. It's any kind of currency, so at least $5 per day, right? Or maybe go even cheaper. I normally start with $5 a day, and then I'll just put it on one day. So afterwards I can see how my ad has performed. And you're just gonna click next and start your advertisement. Now, once you have finished with the advertisement after one day, I would highly recommend that you go through the review and you see how your post is performing. If you see that the post didn't perform that well, it didn't generate enough likes, enough followers, enough engagement, then you might try another post, best performing post, maybe sort it out by different metrics. And maybe instead of automatic target people, create your own target person based on the interest, because we have already done it in the part of this growth sprint where we were talking about how to identify who is your target people on Instagram. You can use this information to create your own target audience for the paid advertisement. And of course, always try to analyze to not put too much money in the beginning, because you will need to understand how everything is working. And guys, the other thing that I want you to do, if you decide to go for the tap link service, to put the link into your bio description that drives traffic to different websites, to different sources like website and other social media, what you can do in the premier version is to insert the Facebook pixel code. What is this Facebook pixel code actually? This is a piece of code that inserted into micro landing page on tap link, and then Facebook actually reads all the information about the users who are landing on this, who are interacting with any kind of buttons on this page, with these buttons that you have put, like a link to YouTube channel, link to your website, maybe a link with your ebook or anything like this. The earlier you do it, the smarter your Facebook will be. And then later on, what you can do is retargeting. So people who have clicked on, let's say, purchasing your ebook, and then in the end they abandoned the cart, or they didn't purchase it in the end. Later on, what this Facebook pixel can do is to retarget. So you can, I don't know, offer them a discount. You probably have seen something like this, that you were looking at something on the website and then you haven't purchased it, and then you see it whether on Instagram or Facebook. This is how this retargeting is working, because the companies would retarget you to still purchase this product because they seen that you were interested in that, right? So this how you can educate the pixel code about your customers, about your target people, and then later on retarget them with like a better offer. But about this, I'm not sharing in this video because, as I said, it's a whole new topic. And guys, yes, I hope this video was useful for you, and I would be really happy to know about your first experience with paid advertisement, if you have never done it, or if you have done it, how was your experience and what didn't work or what worked. I would be really happy to learn more about your experiences with paid advertisement in app. All right, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video tomorrow.